What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to this channel. Today's video is all about under 899 rupees Flipkart shirts haul for your smart casual wardrobe. So many of you guys asked me on Instagram as well as on YouTube to do something for people who are going for office. The basic options, not super basic options, because you always need to have versatility. That's why I thought this video gonna help you guys. And I got all of them under 899 because I shopped during the Flipkart Big Diwali sale that started from 28th of October and it lasts till 3rd of November. And do I need to say, make the most of the sale times till it lasts, because on Flipkart you can find more than 2 lakh plus brands which are generally curated by experts, and you can get huge discounts such as 50 to 80% on top brands. For shirts, actually there is a minimum 60% off going on, and the best part as usual would be the super fast deliveries, easy returns as well as exchanges, and also not to forget you can avail extra discounts, smart shopping on top of the discounted prices by using the bank offers, and also if you want COD option is there as well. And all the brands you see on Flipkart, they are authentic and the delivery is super quick. And the best part I love with Flipkart would be their instant refund. If you are someone who is tight on money, this feature is super helpful. As per my experience, the moment the courier guy picks your return pickup, your refund will be initiated, and generally I do get within 5 to 10 minutes. Having said that, moving on to the shirt number 1 and my favorite among all in terms of price point and also in terms of color. It is a white color full sleeve shirt from a brand called Highlander. This one I got it in a size of medium. When it comes to material composition, it is a cotton blend shirt and the material feels super smooth and it is super breathable as well. And the best part for the shirt, even though it is priced at 1849 rupees during the big Diwali sale, as I mentioned earlier, minimum 60% off discounts are going on, and on top of that I availed the card discounts. I got this somewhere close to 350 rupees, and you will not believe how good it fits. It's a slim fit shirt and it tapers at the waist area. The fit is going to be awesome. In case if you are someone who wants extra room at the waist area, I would suggest you guys to go one size up. So that's a personal preference. It's up to you guys. I really love the fit of the shirt, and also when it comes to the material, it feels smooth as I mentioned earlier. And also when it comes to overall length, it generally ends right. This can be the shirt which you can dress from semi-casual purpose to semi-formal purpose. In case if you want to use this by tucking in with a normal semi-formal trouser, you can do that. If you want to use this with chino, you will be able to do that because of how it fits and because of the material of the shirt. Overall, this is a must-have at a price point of close to 350 to 400. It's a no-brainer in your smart casual wardrobe. This blue color is also a must-have. In formal wardrobe, it's actually a super must-have, but in a smart casual wardrobe as well, you will get most value out of this color if you have one. So it's a full sleeve, blue color, slim fit shirt from Celio that is priced at 2499, but I got this at a price point of close to 850 or 900 rupees, somewhere below 899 rupees after applying the card discounts. What exactly I liked when it comes to this shirt? The first and foremost aspect would be the collar. Here they have the button down collar going on, which immediately increases the versatility of the shirt because you can wear this from semi-casual to semi-formal. That's the point guys, when you're going for the smart casual wardrobe. It should be somewhere in between the semi-casual to semi-formal. Means either way if you want to dress, you should be able to do that. When it comes to material composition, it's a 100% cotton, unlike the cotton blend for the shirt number 1. And the material feels super smooth, and also the fit of the shirt, it is slim fit shirt. It fits really well. Whatever the neutral color lowers you have in your wardrobe, this color of the shirt, it can go really well. But make sure that you pick a shirt that fits you well. As we are done with the 2 neutral colors when it comes to solid full sleeve shirts, why not have a little pop when it comes to the color? You need to have versatility, right? It's a smart casual wardrobe. It's not a super formal basic wardrobe. And here you go with this mustard yellow color full sleeve shirt from Ellen Soli. It is a slim fit option. Normally itself, this is super fairly priced at 1400 rupees, and after discount I got this at a price point of 500 rupees. In general, apart from the neutral colors, I generally love mustard, olive as well as burgundy, and this one, it's a nice mustard color. It's not too dark, it's not too light. When it comes to the material for the shirt, it's a cotton blend and the material feels smooth to the touch, and also it's breathable. The overall length for the shirt is also fine. In case if you want this shirt to be tucked in, you can do that. Along with the color, fit, overall length, there is a minor attention to detail when you're going for smart casual wardrobe. The fitting need to be really great, and also the attention to detail in terms of the collar. Here the collar is super crisp. They do not have any collar stays or something like that, but the collar is like stiff and super crisp. It's not curling or something like that. Now let's go with the shirts that you actually can wear on Fridays or maybe something between the semi-casual to casual, not exactly inclined towards the casual, but more towards the semi-casual. And for that purpose, the shirt number 4, it's a orange and blue checkered full sleeve shirt from a brand called Highlander. It actually have a hood to it. This is super fairly priced to start with. I got this at a price point of 550 rupees. I have gone with a bolder color combination when it comes to checks. In case if it is your first checker shirt, a safest color combination to go with the darker colors, and that too if you have a pop of red with the black, or red with navy blue, or green with black, or if you want even more muted, you can go with the darker shades which are not too distinct when it comes to the check colors. You can go that way. However, I wanted something which is playful, which is fun to wear. That's why I have gone with this pop of orange to it, and not to forget the other colors in this shirt, be it a white color or be it a blue color when it comes to checks. Those are the neutral colors, and in case if you pair with an all black outfit or all blue outfit, it's gonna look really great, like how I did. I have gone with the all black outfit for the b-roll for this video with the black color sneakers, and this acts as a statement piece in your outfit. Just like the previous shirts, here also the material is a cotton blend option, and I really like how it feels. It's not super thick like a proper flannel material, but it is something which is wearable for our climates. And also the differentiating factor for this shirt here, it do not have a normal standard collar, rather it have a hood to it. Practical utility purpose or stylistic purpose, whatever you want to, you can use that way. Moving on to the shirt number 5. It is the last but not the least option. In fact, you guys know that I keep the best for the last. It is a full sleeve maroon color printed shirt from Highlander that is priced at 1649 rupees. I got this at a price point of close to 550 to 600 rupees. I am not suggesting you guys to buy bolder prints when it comes to printed shirts. It is really important to have printed shirts in your wardrobe, even though it's a smart casual wardrobe, but make sure that the prints are super subtle, just like this one. Here the base color of this shirt, it's a dark maroon color. You can see it is a darkish version of the maroon color. On top of that, it's almost like an off-whitish to maroon color coordinated prints on the shirt. That makes the shirt look really classic. And also, just like the shirt number 3, the collar here, they have a crisp collar going on. And when it comes to the material composition, it's made of cotton blend, but there is a major difference when it comes to the material feel. The material is like very thick and also have super premium feeling with this shirt. I'm not sure how Highlander is offering these shirts at this crazy price points. In case if you're looking for any printed shirts for office, but still want to be on the subtler side, you can never go wrong with these kind of options. And here Highlander has mentioned that Highlander occasion. When it comes to this, I'm not sure about that, but really it feels premium. And this color can go well with the beige, gray color, black color, and even blue color. It goes well with majority of the neutral colors. And in case if you are not a big fan of this color, you can go with the other color options from Highlander. They do have these prints in different colorways as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the 5 shirts for your smart casual wardrobe. If you did so, don't forget to click the like down below and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And not to forget, Flipkart Big Diwali sale is going on from 20th of October to 3rd of November, where you can get huge discounts on the shirts, like minimum 60% off on many top brands. You do have discounts. You can find the links in the description below for all the products mentioned in this video. That's it from me. See you next time.